Hey guys, what's happening? 3 ways to fix verification code not received. One of the ways to fix that problem, go to your phone and just type this number, star 3001, and then hashtag 12345, hashtag star. Alright? And the reason why, because after you type it, you're going to be able to see, or you'll be directed to the FTM dashboard. And you're going to see, obviously, the number and the RSP, right? In the RSP, we need to focus on the RSP because, or RSRP, because if it's below or above the minimum or maximum amount, you might receive a notification, or you might be limited. So how do we figure that one out? Just go back to your screen, then go ahead to your browser, and you're gonna see this chart. So you're gonna see minus 90 dBm means excellent. We have 93, I believe, right? Yeah, 93, I believe, yeah. So if it's below a minus 90, it might be good, right? Like to 105. If it's 106 dBm to 120, it means fair. And 120 dBm means poor. So you might be limited to basically receiving a notifications there, right? The second way of fixing that, you need to go back to your screen, swipe down to your control center, and make sure to turn off the do not disturb mode in order to receive the notification instantly. Third way, go to the settings, scroll a little bit down to the apps, try to pin down messages. So I'm gonna click messages. Make sure to turn on the iMessage so you can receive every notification, right? And also the notifications here. So you're gonna see option send as a text message, not forwarding, send as a text message. Send as a text message when iMessage is unavailable, carrier messaging rate may apply. So turning this one on means you're gonna be able to receive and send as much as possible, right? So if you turn this one off, you might be limited to receiving notification of any messages. So that's one of the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.